I think government for helping us, and I think government and thanks all my supporting us, and I thank you to the government.
Bubuksan kan ya, itu na especially sino mama niyo. Patanda Sunday day cuma mana kan kan? So naman sa hatiin hati out sa namal na. O kanan dan kiman sa siya ni rota kami ko tapat kuan week. So bab nakkat na bab na matin to be nirin ba kari kiman for the rest of that day.
Ito mata ka bagni kena kebikum tu nanam tu wase kakana cumpai na kana maten tu nan tu binanu mina leni pandu bikiman na bikuningonan rendrango naka.
Nawalewu sabab nakwalewu na matentunan no na binanumi bikiman sa lockdown tunggo nawalewu na binanumi at may bikiman bisa may na pangatakan na kakanan yung silyaman nawalewu.
Tornando como va prima ta kirto na matintu na pingara virtu me la kapchumo weekenda lina ninda stops kana dendre na ka ruma tsiko kito va binibinak na bikartu sa contribute ako na tumbulan matubay. We thank the government for this assistance as we are not employed since last 3 weeks. We thank the government for that. At least they are doing something for people. This is good, at least people are getting something for their family.